Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Bruderheim, a warm and welcoming town nestled in Alberta's Edmonton metropolitan region, about 47 kilometers northeast of Edmonton. The name Bruderheim comes from two German words, Bruder meaning brother and Heim meaning home, symbolizing the close-knit spirit of the community. It was settled in 1894 by German Moravians from Volhynia, Ukraine. The land here sits about 637 meter above sea level, right by the North Saskatchewan River, offering lovely views and outdoor trails. Bruderheim made headlines in 1960 when a meteorite landed here, a moment still remembered in town lore and even featured in the local arena.
Thank you very much.
The town also honors Treaty 6 territory and the homeland of the Métis Nation and works to recognize and respect Indigenous history. Today, Bruderheim blends its rich past with modern small-town comforts, all set against open fields and friendly streets. It's a special place where you can feel history, nature, and neighborly warmth all around you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Bruderheim, Alberta.